So today we're going to change the air filter in a Pontiac G6. It's quite simple. There's only 3 little star screws. So we're going to take those out, and then you just take this clip out, and then it'll come up. So we'll go ahead and start. I should lock it in. So we're going to take the other 2 out real quick. So we have the screws out. You don't have to take off the clip if you choose not to. There should be enough room to move it. After that, it'll just pull up out of these, and you can set it to the side. My old filter, it looks pretty nasty. It just pulls out like that. Then I'll grab the new filter. We'll just set down in there, just like that. And then the clips, you just make sure they go back down in the hole. I don't know if you can see that. You just make sure they go back down in the hole, screw it back in, and then you're good to go. Pretty simple, pretty easy, but I hope this helped.